cloudDNA is a Citrix specialist partner. We specialize in Citrix ADC and Citrix SD-WAN because, in my opinion, you can spend a huge amount of money on your data center or your cloud infrastructure, but the challenge really comes is connecting the users to that data and giving the user a great experience. If the network's bad, the user experience is bad. So it doesn't matter how much you spend or what you invest into your data center. If the users can't connect to it, that's the experience that's going to fail, and that's where you're going to get measured. Nobody wants unhappy users, so we focus on making sure that those guys have a great time. cloudDNA have a National Health Service customer in the UK that has adopted the SD-WAN solution. For those guys who are trying to do more with less, as is always the IT story that we know, it's really become apparent to them that they can rapidly deploy this solution. In the NHS, it's about patient outcome. The traditional mechanism they were looking at of multiple VPNs or potentially renewing their VPN, it's kind of clunky. It took 3 to 4 days per site to get a whole infrastructure just tuned up and just finally working. And in this instance, there's a couple of hundred of those sites. With the SD-WAN solution, we've taken that 3 to 4 days per site down to an hour off-site and 20 minutes when they get to the branch. This is huge. Citrix SD-WAN enhances the experience so that in the branch, in this case a GP surgery, the patient outcome has been a benefit in there as well.